They have a security wall. It's a gated community. Now, these are things you don't associate with ordinary Kenyans. These are things that you associate with leafy suburbs. So, government intervention took away almost half the cost of the project for ordinary Kenyans to own those homes. Why is that a bad thing? Now, because I want to finish this one, then tuende kuulizana maswali. If you take the 7.6 million, because, and now I'm introducing the housing fund, because that's the elephant in the room. If we left the private sector to deliver this house at 7.650, you got a number hapo hivi, then you go to a bank, when the HF ama KCB ama hizo zingine, you are lucky to get more than 10 years financing. The interest rate today for people they consider to have a good credit record is 15%. But remember, banks price risk. So if it's a normal hustler who's going there saying that I want a house, what rate do you think they're going to get? If at all, the bank might even throw away those ones. You don't, those corridors. But let's take the average, 15%. Very conservative. 7.65, if you pay a 10% deposit and you pay interest at 15% for 10 years, is 111,000 every month. Now, let me just make a guess. And I don't know how much journalists earn. But let me take a guess. That amount there, most of us in this room cannot afford. And probably they don't earn that kind of money, what it will cost you. But look at the alternative. I have taken out all the costs. It is 3 million. But I still want you to pay 10% deposit. Now, we financed Kenyans who own homes there at 7% versus 15%. We gave them 25 years versus 10 to pay for those houses through a tenant purchase scheme in National Housing Corporation. The result is they are paying me 19,000. So good people. 19,000 versus 111. Now, most of you here, I'm sure where you're paying rent, you're paying more than 19,000 or thereabout.